يا مسليني يلي بنار الهجر كويني يا حلو يا مسليني يلي بنار الهجر كويني املى المدام يا جميل واسقيني يا عيني من كتر شوقي عليك ما بنام.
Very soulful.
Thank you so much.
أهلا وسهلا مرحبا كيف حالك
أهلا وسهلا.
أهلا وسهلا
أهلا وسهلا.
أهلا وسهلا आप देख रहे हैं दुनिया बोल है and we have a very special guest today with us अम्मार अशकर जो कि शाम के सीरिया के बासलाहियत गुलकार हैं नगमा निगार भी हैं और गिटारिस्ट भी हैं 2013 से यूएई और शाम में अपनी जानदार लाइव परफॉर्मेंस से दिलों को मशहूर कर रहे हैं और इस बार वो आए हैं पाकिस्तान जो कि आर्ट्स काउंसिल में फेस्टिवल हो रहा है
बिल्कुल जी इस कल्चरल फेस्टिवल में वो हिस्सा है और हम आज हमारे मेहमान हैं और कितनी सोलफुल उनकी आवाज़ है और कितना अच्छा वो गाते हैं और उनकी प्रेजेंस कितनी अच्छी है कितनी पॉजिटिव है ये तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया होगा जिस तरह से हमारे इस सेगमेंट का आगाज़ हुआ है तो चलें वेलकम करते हैं अम्मार को अस्सलाम वालेकुम अम्मार गुड मॉर्निंग
Walaikum assalam. Good morning. How are you?
We are wonderful actually to listen to this beautiful voice.
We were good
a pleasure.
and now we are wonderful.
Thank you so much. I feel wonderful as well being here.
It was very soulful that piece that
Thank
you just
so much.
Is that your own song?
No, it's not my own song. It's actually a folk song from Syrian culture.
अमार सीरिया से हैं मुल्क शाम से हैं तो वो भी अंडर कंसिडरेशन रहेगा हमारे सो अमार यू बोर्न इन सीरिया
Yes,
Latakia.
I've been born in Syria. I'm from Latakia. I've been there like for around 26 years, and then I moved to the UAE. So now I'm in an emirate called Ras Al Khaimah, and I live there. I've been there for around 7 years now.
And you've been doing
this
music.
is your first visit to
in
Pakistan?
This is my first visit to Pakistan, but definitely not the last.
All right.
It's already my third day, and I love it here.
Why?
So how is the experience so far as far as the
Why do you love it?
festival
Why
is
do you love
concerned?
Karachi?
Okay, I will tell you my experience since coming to the airport and now in ACP.
Ready to listen.
Because like the moment I arrived to the airport, I felt like home. Like with the great hospitality, with everything going, with the people, everyone smiling in your face. People are super friendly here. And then I went to the ACP and it was amazing. Like in many aspects. First, you would see like these crazily talented musicians, and who are like very willing to collaborate. They are very like musically like gifted.
Yeah.
Let's say. And the second thing, and which I noticed, and I tell you, like as a musician, I've been a musician for a long time, but this is like the most unique setting I've seen. It's how it's actually a music community. Like I've seen many music communities all around, let's say in the UAE and Syria or in some other countries. They are good, there are amazing musicians, but here you feel like people are close to each other, and at the same time they are welcoming to everyone, like who would just come to join, jam, play, whatsoever. So it's amazing.
So
we are jamming. We are jamming in a while.
Yeah.
We are jamming in a while. Yeah, we
Definitely.
are. Definitely. So, other than the music community and all, what is the Karachi vibe for you? Did you have any food yet? The Karachi special food, or you're just having that hotel food, that not so spicy thing?
Yes, okay. You know, I'm not a fan of spicy food as that, but yes, I had Pakistani food.
And do you remember the name?
I don't remember the names. I'm terrible with the names, but there is one sweet that I loved. It's called Gajar Ka
Halwa.
Wow, yes, exactly. That one is amazing. Like this is already my favorite.
All right. And tell me about it. Have you been able to get your hands on Urdu language a little bit?
Well, there are many similarities in Urdu and...
there are many similarities. Like when I hear like someone speaking Urdu, some words I can relate to Arabic. But there is the acha.
Acha.
Ji, I know how to say Mera naam Ammar hai. Thank you. But other than that, I'm not that.
That's great. That's great.
Anta Faisal. That's the Arabic for that. Right. Ammar, we'll be talking a lot, but since you are here, The
we
guitar
would
is
like
here.
to, yeah, we would
Of
like
course,
to.
I would love to.
Why not a song,
So
please?
what I'm gonna do, since we're talking about the Urdu language,
Okay.
there is a verse of the song that I'm preparing. So it's gonna be mashed up with Arabic.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna be singing it in Urdu. Excuse my pronunciation.
Please go
Probably
on.
gonna sound
No,
like a
no, no, no.
foreigner,
Please go on.
but
Please go on.
and I'm gonna use my phone.
या श्योर
That's
तो
all right,
अम्मार जो
that's
है वो
all
एक
right.
गाना गाने लगे हैं
Okay.
जो कि उर्दू भी है और उसमें थोड़ी सी अरबिक
So-
फ्यूजन भी है सो प्लीज अम्मार
So I listened to this song. It's I saw it in
Coke Studio?
Yeah, and,
Okay.
and I loved it.
All right.
So I'm trying to learn it. So. ऐसे देखा नहीं खूबसूरत कोई जिसमें जैसे जनता के मूरत कोई जिसमें जैसे निगाहों पर जादू कोई जिसमें नगमा कोई जिसमें खुशबू कोई जिसमें जैसे महकती हुई चांदनी जिसमें जैसे मचलती हुई रागनी जिसमें जैसे के खिलता हुआ एक शमा जिसमें जैसे के सूरज की पहली किरण जिसमें तरशा हुआ दिलकशो दिलकशी संदली संदली मरमरी मरमरी
उसने जाना कि तारीफ मुमकिन
Nice.
उसने जाना कि तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं आफरी 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 तू भी देखे अगर तो कहे हम नशी आफरी 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 उसने जाना कि तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं।
Wow, I love your voice, man.
I love your
It was
voice, man.
an absolute honor to have you on the show. So wonderful.
Thank
so
you so
wonderful.
much. I'm so happy being here as well. Thank
Okay,
you so much.
so what are the expectations from this years of the music festival? See, Ahmad Shah, the whole and soul of the Arts Council, Pakistan, is like bringing the musicians from all over the world every year. You are here first time in Pakistan, so what are your expectations from this sort of festival, and what brings in different cultures coming in together, second in together, not only in the music verse but also exchanging the culture, exchanging the talkies. So
I can tell you that I could tell you my expectations
Yeah.
when I was coming here. I thought like it's gonna be a very nice festival with a lot of countries, but it actually absolutely exceeded my expectations. I didn't expect actually that there are 141 countries.
Wow.
Like what amazing effort that has been done to bring people together, and everyone, like, they are so nice. Even when we're performing, when I came here, I was supposed to perform solo. Now then that performing together, we met, we jammed, we found somebody else, like, let's join, and this is so everyone is amazing.
I think
and
it's the
on a huge
perfect. It
scale,
is
yeah.
the perfect environment for you to recreate, to improvise.
Yes.
to learn new things maybe
Yes,
as
exactly.
well.
And being open on that much cultures, like, it's by itself amazing.
Have you so far been able to really get the chance to figure out if that will open so many ways for so many different cultures in so many other countries? Do you think it is going to do that?
Like mixing, like this mix of culture always had this potential. Because, like, even it says, like, in general, when you travel, you would get like knowledge, you will have a lot of experience. So what if you're having people from more than 100 countries? Like, that by itself is amazing.
And they are all obviously they have different languages, they have different cultures,
Yeah.
but they have one thing common about them, and that is that brings
yes.
them together. That's such a wonderful
That's
thing.
art, let's say, because there is a music, yes, and this is also something amazing. Like, it's not only music, it's music, art, dance,
Everything,
poetry, I think,
yeah.
and so on. So yeah.
okay, the difference of the beats in the Arabic and the, in Pakistan it's the classical or semi-classical that is our heritage. So what is the basic difference of the thing? Like in Arabic, it's more, I don't know what should I call it, but we go in a trance whenever there is, my favorite is Khalid Sheb. Right.
Khalid Sheb.
Khalid
Okay.
Sheb, yeah. But what difference can you derive from both the different genres?
So,
and the similarities too.
Yeah, sure. Let's say starting with the rhythm, because of course each music it has different rhythms. So when I'm going, let's say for an Arabic, if I say like we have like this kind of rhythms, for example. But in Pakistani music, I'm still learning about it. But you can find, like, let's say, for example, now I'm telling you about doing the mashup. So you can reach a common ground.
Yeah.
So you can match it together.
Okay.
So there's always a way.
Yeah.
With the scales, like with the Arabic scales, we have some Oriental scales that have the quarter tones. And but in the scales and the say like Pakistani scales is also very unique. So yesterday I would tell you we were jamming. I was listening. I was like amazed, and I was just trying to imitate it with my voice. So of course, like in any culture, let's say there is this unique music perspective because it has been developing like over
Centuries
the years,
yeah,
for like hundreds of years. But in the end, it's music. It's everybody's language, so you can always find a common ground.
And I think as long as it reaches your heart and it touches the soul, I think it just justifies everything that comes to your mind at that point in time. And I think that has justified your visit to Pakistan.
Of course.
Okay, we have to take a break, but before that, let's do one more thing. I think you can catch some Urdu words, right? So what if I speak those words in a song, and you can,
play along.
Play along.
Of course.
Okay. This is the most favorite patriotic song in Pakistan.
Okay.
It's called.
And you might have heard it.
Dil Dil Pakistan.
Have you heard of it?
No.
Right. Okay. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just do it Aisi Zami, and then you can repeat. So, perfect, perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, हमारे साथ अम्मार मौजूद थे और हमें ब्रेक ले रहे हैं. इनका शुक्रिया भी अदा करते हैं. बट उससे पहले we'll do another different sort of jam. Okay, so it goes like 1, 2, 3. ऐसी
ज़मीं
और आसमां इनके सिवा जाना कहाँ पढ़ती रहे ये रोशनी चलता रहे ये कारवां दिल पाकिस्तान दिल पाकिस्तान जान पाकिस्तान जान पाकिस्तान दिल पाकिस्तान दिल पाकिस्तान जा पाकिस्तान जा पाकिस्तान.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.